Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the DIAC. The DIAC is the most important family of our thyristor. So it is made up with the two words basically. The one is your DI, that is stand for diode, and another is AC, that is stand for alternating current. So it is a device which work on the AC with some controlled mean, that is also known as the DIAC. So we'll discuss the different characteristics of the DIAC, and then we will discuss about the parameters which include to control these characteristics. So the first one is DIAC has two electrodes. So two electrodes means they have the two terminals. One is anode and another is cathode. It is a member of the thyristor family. As already told that it is the one of the most important member of the thyristor family. So thyristor family include the DIAC, TRIAC, GTO, IGBT, and also these are the family of the thyristors, or SCR we can say. It is mainly used in triggering of the thyristors. So as there is a lot of technique for thyristor to turn on it, like gate triggering, pulse triggering, AC triggering, DC triggering. Same way DIAC is also used as a triggering circuit for the thyristors. The main advantage of using this device is that it can be turned off and on simply by reducing the voltage level below its avalanche breakdown. So this is the main advantage of this diode device. To own a thyristor, so we have to give some triggering pulse over there, we have to give some gate signal over there, but here the advantage is that we have to just make the voltage level of the thyristor below the avalanche breakdown, so it will be get turn on and off simply. So it's very simple in its working. No, we don't need any external commutation circuit or external turn on circuit for its working operation. Then the next is it can be either turned on or off for both the polarity of voltages. So it can be turned on and off with both polarity. We can see the positive and negative as well. So this device works when avalanche breakdown occurs. So as already told that it is a turn on of device that is depend upon by reducing the voltage level below the breakdown voltage. Okay, so this device work on the avalanche breakdown only. And the DIAC is basically two terminal parallel inverse combination of semiconductor layers that permit triggering in either direction. So diode is nothing but the combination of two diodes basically. So they behave so they look like that only. Okay, so these are the construction of these DIAC we can say. So they are nothing but in inverse direction, they are parallelly connected, and so they can be triggered in either direction, in the reverse direction or forward direction. And there is no control terminal on this device, as in thyristor other families there is a three terminal device: anode, cathode, and gate. So gate is the basically control terminal over there, but in here the control terminal is missing. So we can say that the control action is only depend upon our avalanche breakdown voltage. So we can control the on-off characteristics by making the voltage level below and up the breakdown voltage. So physically it is like a regular semiconductor diode. So here is the construction of DIAC we can say. So you can see these two diodes are parallelly connected to each other, but in reverse direction. It has two terminal, one and second terminal. Okay, so the DIAC have the two basic types we can say: the symmetrical DIAC and unsymmetrical DIAC. And this symmetrical and unsymmetrical DIAC depend upon the current and voltage rating basically. So the device is rated by the current and voltages we can say that. And when both forward and reverse breakover voltage are almost same, then it is known as symmetrical DIAC. So we can say that if this diode is working in the forward direction and in this diode is working reverse direction, the voltage level will be same. Say this is 18 volt, then again it should be 18 volt as well. So this is the symmetrical diode. Otherwise in symmetrical DIAC the voltage are different in the two of diodes. So we can say in the first one is the 20 volt and in another is the 18 volt. So it means that the direction of voltage is 20 volt and in other direction is 18 volt. So that is marked as the voltage side of the device, and the circle is always marked on the high voltage side. So the symbol of the DIAC will be look like this, that I have already shown. Okay, they are nothing but a resemble of the connection of two diode in this series, and these can be also called as a transistor without base. So this is all about the DIAC. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on the thyristors. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.